No man. It's a really deja vu. It look like something need to prove a point to them before then.
There's no helping him, Angie. He's too far gone. Now why don't you go home, have a shower, and wash that idiot out of your hair? See you Monday.
Is either you're brave or you're fool. Or he's a brave fool.
Tell us so we have unfinished business.
You come to the right place. Finish it now.
Morning for you plant bullet in my baby crib.
Probably you never heard of me. Oh yes. You better ask somebody. You know you're in the right place. But we just tell you something. They want you or your baby mother dead. You there saying the bag attack. Well, what did you do? Call off.
Who give the order?
Brother, me just said call off. Leave it at that. Me and you don't have no problem. Don't create one.
Boss.
Everything good enough. I got move. You deal with the two you them will kick up the school boy?
Yeah man, two of them get fixed up. I'm in a police custody now.
And nobody no know so you're involved, right?
Identity seal, boss.
Good. How you deal with it?
You know, so I'm going on madman mode still. I just beg one of them some I'm lunch and then I just go to work and deal with him. And I just mass up and go for the next one because him going like him too tough.
Hope you never overdo it, you know.
Well, bossy, to tell you the truth, I feel a couple ribs broke, you know. Yeah man, cause after I see the video, my head chip. I get kinda grimy, so I just deal with it grimy and done.
Well, I can't say I'm sorry for them. Them did need a proper fixing.
I can tell you this. Them I gotta think twice before they move to another youth like that again.
It's mad. After me owe you 200,000, can barely find it. Or raise it to 400,000. I say mad. Oh, better me kill it than that. Better me kill you. Can't work, so.